Dear students, in this video we are going to start the new exercise, that is exercise 3.2c. In this exercise there are the type of integral in the form of, that is integration of px plus q upon ax square plus bx plus c with respect to x, and integration of px plus q upon square root of ax square plus bx plus c with respect to x. Okay students, to evaluate this type of integral, we may use the following steps are given here. First, that is, suppose this is numerator, this is the denominator of the integral. This is the numerator, this is the denominator of the integral. So whatever is your numerator, express it in the form of a into derivative of denominator plus b. Okay, and then obtain the value of a and b by equating the coefficient of like power of x on both sides. Okay, that means we have to compare the coefficient of like power of x on both sides, then we will find out the value of a and b, and then we can write the numerator in the integral, that is px plus q equal to a into 2x plus b, that is derivative of denominator plus b. Okay, and now our integral is of the form px plus q upon ax square plus bx plus c with respect to x equal to a into integration of, instead of this numerator we will write the new numerator, that is a into 2ax plus b upon ax square plus bx plus c with respect to x plus b into 1 upon ax square plus bx plus c with respect to x. Okay students, and now this is of the form, this is f dash of x upon f of x. This is of the form f dash of x upon f of x, and its integration is log of f of x. Okay, plus b into 1 upon ax square plus bx plus c. Students, this is the special type of integral. That means out of 6 formulae we have to convert one of them, and then we will find out the answer or solution for the integral. Now suppose if the integral of this type, then the similar steps are there, only express px plus q upon square root of ax square plus bx plus c. In this case there is square root at denominator, there is no square root at denominator, and here there is the square root at the denominator, and this is of the form, that is a into 2ax plus b upon square root of ax square plus bx plus c. Means this is of the form, that is f dash of x upon square root of f of x with respect to x, and you know that its integration is, that is its integration f dash of x upon square root of f of x is 2 into square root of f of x. In this way we have to solve the integration. Okay students, now let us solve the examples. The problem is that evaluate the integration. The problem is that evaluate the integration that is integration of 3x plus 4 upon x square plus 6x plus 5 with respect to x. Okay students, to evaluate this, so this is numerator and this denominator. So express the numerator, that is 3x plus 4, that is equal to a into derivative of denominator, that is derivative of denominator, derivative of x square plus 6x plus 5 and plus b. Now this is 3x plus 4 equal to a into, that is a into 2x, differentiation of x square is 2x, differentiation of 6x is 6, differentiation of 5 is 0 plus b. And that's why now compare the coefficient of x from both sides. Here from LHS that is 3x, and from here that is 2ax. This is equal to 2ax plus 6a plus b. So like power of x, that is 3x equal to 2ax, and here hence the value of a equal to 3 by 2. Value of a equal to 3 by 2. Now to find out the value of b, compare the constant term. So here the constant term is 4. The constant term is 4, and here the constant term is 6a plus b. Put the value of a from here, we will get, this implies 4 equal to 6 into 3 by 2 plus b, and that is equal to 2 3s are 6, and here 3 3s are 9, 4 equal to, this is 4 equal to 9 plus b, and this implies b equal to minus 5. B equal to minus 5. In this way we have found out the value of a and b. Okay students, now rewrite the integral, that is integration of 3x plus 4 upon x square plus 6x plus 5 with respect to x. Instead of writing 3x plus 4, we can write in this way. Okay students, instead of writing 3x plus 4, we will write in this way. Okay, in this way. That is, what is the value of a in the integral? That is a is 3 by 2. This is integration of 3 by 2, 2x plus 6 plus value of b is minus 5 and whole with respect to x upon the denominator. What is the denominator? That is x square plus 6x plus 5. Now take the integration of both the integrals separately. The first term is 3 by 2 as a constant. Integration of, that is 2x plus 6 upon x square plus 6x plus 5 with respect to x, plus minus the 5 upon x square plus 6x plus 5 with respect to x. And this is the integral. There are two integrals that we have to solve. Okay students, now so this is the integration equal to the integral 1 plus integral second. So let us, that is this I1 plus I2 means integration of 1 plus integration of second, and this is equal to integration of 3x plus 4 upon x square plus 6x plus 5. This is the first. Now consider the integration 1, that is first integral. This is 3 by 2 integration of 2x plus 6 upon x square plus 6x plus 5 with respect to x. Okay students, this integral is of the form, that is 3 by 2 f dash of x upon f of x with respect to x, and that's why its integration is log of f of x. Log of f of x the integration is, and hence this is 3 by 2 log of f of x means 2x plus 6. 2x plus 6. This is the integration of the first term. Okay. Suppose this is 2. I1 equal to. Now let us consider the second integral. the second integral, that is I2 equal to, that is equal to 5 upon x square plus 6x plus 5. Okay students, to solve this type of integral, this is log of f of x, means this will be, that is x square plus 6x plus 5. Please correct this students. This is x square plus 6x plus 5. 6x plus 5. Sorry, please correct it. Okay. Now the second integral is 5 upon x square plus 6x plus 5. Okay. Suppose 5 as a constant. Take it outside. Integration 1 upon x square plus 6x plus 5 with respect to x. Okay students. So here by completing square for this term, that is x square plus 6x plus 5. So the middle term, that is b by a, is 36. Middle term square is 36 and 36 divided by 4. That means we have to adjust the term 9 here. Okay, we have to adjust the term 9 here, and that is equal to x square plus 6x plus 9 minus 9 plus 5, and this is equal to, this is the square of x plus 3 whole square minus 4. Okay, and that's why its integration is 5 integration of, we can write the term, that is x plus 3 whole square minus the square of 4. 4 is the square of 2 square with respect to x. And students, this is of the form 1 upon x square minus a square with respect to x, and that's why its integration is 1 upon 2a log of x plus 1 log of x plus a upon x minus a. This is, its integration is 1 upon 2a into log of x plus a upon x minus a. This is this is x minus a upon x plus a. By using this formula, we can solve the integral. Okay students, and now the integration is x minus a upon x plus a. By using this, we can find out the integration. And this, the 5 as it is 1 upon 2a, 2 is 4 here, 1 upon 2 into 2 log of x minus a, x is x plus 3 minus 2 upon x plus 3 plus 2. Okay, and this is 5 by 4 log of x plus 1 upon x plus 5. This is the integration, that is of the second integral. This is the solution for second, and this is 3. So put the value of 2 and 3 in 1, we get. Put the value of 2 and 3 in 1, because 1 means integration of 3x plus 4 upon x square plus 6x plus 5 is I1 plus I2. Hence we have found out I1 and I2. Put the values, we will get. That is put 2 and 3 in 1, we will get integration of 3x plus 4 upon x square plus 6x plus 5 equal to I1 plus I2. That is, I1 is, here I1 is 3 by 2 log of x square plus 6x plus 5 plus I2. We have found out the integration I2. Here the value I2 is, that is, see here students, the value of B is minus 5 and I2 equal to, here the value of I2, that is 5 by 4 log of x plus 1 upon x plus 5, but the value of B is minus 5 and that is everywhere we have to take the negative, that is 5 minus 5 by 4 and that will be plus minus 5 by 4, that is minus 5 by 4, that will be minus log of x plus 1 upon x plus 5 plus constant of integration. See, in this way we have to solve the problem. Okay students, the value of B is negative, that's why the integration will be of the type I1 plus I2, or that will be I1 minus I2, and in this way this is the solution. Now the next problem is that evaluate the integration of 2x plus 3 upon 2x square plus 3x minus 1 with respect to x. Okay students, similarly we have to express numerator in terms of denominator, that is 2x plus 3 and this is equal to a into derivative of 2x square plus 3x minus 1 with respect to x plus b. Okay, and this is a into, that is differentiation of 2 as a 2 is a constant, x square is 2x, 2 into 2, that is 4x, plus 3 as a constant, differentiation of x with respect to x is 1, that's why differentiation of 3x is 3, minus differentiation of 1 is 0, that's why a into 4x plus 3 plus b, and this is equal to 4ax plus 3a plus 3a plus b, and this is equal to 2x plus 3. Now compare the coefficient of same power of x, that is compare the coefficient of x, that is 2x, and here the coefficient of x is only 4ax, and that's why value of a is 1 by 2. Value of a is 1 by 2. Okay students, now the constant term is 3 at the LHS, and here the constant term is 3a plus b. Put the value of a, we will get, that is 3 equal to 3 into 1 by 2 plus b, and therefore b equal to 3 minus 3 by 2. Shift the term to that side, we will get, that is 3 2 is 6, 6 minus 3 is 3 by 2, and hence value of b is 3 by 2. Value of b is 3 by 2. Okay, and now the integration, that is 2x plus 3 upon 2x square plus 3x minus 1 with respect to x equal to, in the form of this, we have to write in the form of this. Okay, that is a into a. What is the value of a? A is 1 by 2, that is 1 by 2 into 4x plus 3 plus b. What is the value of b? B is 3 by 2 plus 3 by 2. This is, in this way we have written the numerator. Okay, integration of 2x plus 3, that is 1/2 4x plus 3 this is the numerator upon denominator, that is 2x square plus 3x minus 1, that is as it is. Okay students, and hence integration of 2x plus 3 upon 2x square plus 3x minus 1 with respect to x is this term upon this term plus 3/2 upon, by separating the terms we will get, that is integration of 1/2 as a constant, take it outside, 4x plus 3 upon 2x square plus 3x minus 1 with respect to x, this term upon this, plus that is integration of 3/2, that is 3/2 upon 2x square plus 3x minus 1 with respect to x. Okay students, and now this is equal to integration of I1 plus I2, that is 1/2 I1 plus 3/2 I2, 3/2 I2, 3/2 outside, and 1 upon 2x square plus 3x minus 1 with respect to x is the I2, and this is integration of 2x plus 3 upon 2x square plus 3x minus 1 with respect to x. Let us take the integration of I1 equal to integration of, that is 4x plus 3 upon 2x square plus 3x minus 1 with respect to x. Okay students, and now this is of the form integration of f dash of x upon f of x by corollary of integration, and that is log of f of x, and by using this corollary its integration is log of f of x, means this is f of x and this is f dash of x. This is the function, and 4x plus 3 is its derivative, means that is f dash of x, and hence derivative is log of f of x, means log of 2x square plus 3x minus 1. This is integration I1. Okay student, now suppose this is 1, this is 2. Okay, at last we will put the value of I1 and I2 here, and then we will complete the integration of given. Okay, now the second term, that is integration of I2. So let us consider I2 equal to integration of, that is 1 upon 2x square plus 3x minus 1 with respect to x. Okay students, so simplify the term, that is 2x square plus 3x minus 1. Simplify means first common out here, that is divide the denominator by 2, we will get, divide the denominator by 2, we will get, that is 1/2 into x square plus 3/2x minus 1/2 with respect to x. Okay students, and now for completing the, now this integral is one of the special type of integral that we have to convert it into. Therefore, that is x square plus 3/2x minus 1/2. So for this, for completing the square, adjust the terms. So here the b by a whole square is, that is 9/4, and again divided by 4 we will get 9/16. That means we have to adjust the term 9/16 here, and therefore x square plus 3/2x plus 9/16 minus 9/16 minus 1/2. So the term that we have to adjust here. Okay students, and this is the perfect square. This is the perfect square of x plus 3 by 4 whole square. And it's, that is the addition of this here, the LCM will be 16. LCM will be 16. 2 8 is 16. Therefore minus 9 minus 8, that is minus 17. That is 17 by 16. And therefore now this is the adjustment of the given term. Okay, in this way we have adjusted, and therefore the integration I2 equal to 1 by 2 1 upon x square plus 3 by 2x minus 1 by 2 with respect to x equal to 1 by 2 as a constant, integration of 1 upon x plus 3 by 4 whole square minus this 17 upon 16 we can write in the form of square root of 17 upon 4 whole square. And that means with respect to x, and this is integration of the form. This is integration of the form, that is integration of 1 upon x square minus a square with respect to x, and its integration is 1 upon 2a log of x minus a upon x plus a plus constant of integration c. And therefore the integration I2 equal to 1 by 2 as it is, 1 by 2 into 1 upon 2a, that is 2 into a is root 17 upon 4 log of x minus a, x is x plus 3 by 4 minus square root of 17 by 4 upon x plus 3 by 4 plus root 17 by 4. In this way the 2 into 2 4 divided by 4 get cancelled, and the simplification of the terms 1 by root 17 log of, here we will take the LCM as a 4, and this is 4x plus 3 minus root 17 upon 4x plus 3 plus root 17 divided by 4 get cancelled, and this is the integration or solution for the integral for I2. Okay, and now put the values in given one, that is here in 1 put the value of I1 and put the value of I2. Okay students, therefore integration of 2x plus 3 upon 2x square plus 3x minus 1 with respect to x is 1 by 2 I1, that is 1 by 2, this is 1 by 2 I1 plus 3 by 2 I2. So 1 by 2 into I1, what is the value of I1? The integration, that is we have found out the integration I1, that is log of 2x square plus 3x minus 1. Okay, and plus 3 by 2 I2. What is I2? I2 is this, that is 1 upon root 17 log of 4x plus 3 minus root 17 upon 4x plus 3 plus root 17 and plus constant of integration c. This is the solution for the problem. Okay students, the problem is quite lengthy, but it is not difficult. Step by step you have to solve. It is very easy. Okay, in this way you have to solve the problem. Students, let us take one example as a homework, that is evaluate. Take down the homework problem. Evaluate integration of 2x plus 1 upon x square plus 4x minus 5 with respect to x, and this is the homework problem for you. Okay students, okay, so solve this problem by using this method. Okay, we will continue in the next video.